Did you see Ethereum just jumped 4.5% while Bitcoin's playing catch-up? What if I told you this could be the beginning of a major shift in the crypto market that most investors are completely missing? Today, we're diving into why Ethereum is suddenly outperforming Bitcoin and what it means for your crypto portfolio in 2025. Hey everyone, Alex here from Moonward Capital with your Crypto Pulse update. If you're new here, twice a day we break down exactly what's moving the crypto markets so you can stay ahead of the crowd. The markets are showing clear signs of recovery today, with Ethereum leading the charge at a 4.5% gain, while Bitcoin is up just over 2%. But what's really happening behind these numbers? Let's dive in. The biggest catalyst behind Ethereum's surge is the Ethereum Foundation's major strategic overhaul. They've just launched a new protocol team with three crystal clear priorities. 1. Scale the Layer 1 blockchain. 2. Improve blob space for rollups. 3. Enhance user experience. Why does this matter? Because for years, Ethereum has been criticized for its complex development roadmap that seemed to prioritize academic research over practical improvements. This restructuring signals a fundamental shift toward practical solutions that will directly benefit users and developers. The markets are clearly responding positively to this more pragmatic approach. Looking at the broader market, we're seeing a clear pattern emerging. Bitcoin is holding steady above 106K, showing resilience despite recent volatility. But the real action is happening in the Ethereum ecosystem. Ethereum itself up 4.58%, Solana jumping nearly 6%, the DeFi sector overall up 4.18%. But here's where it gets really interesting. The derivatives sector is up a massive 7.23% in the last 24 hours. This suggests institutional traders are positioning themselves for a significant move upward. And speaking of institutions, we have breaking news that SharpLink Gaming has just completed a $425 million Ethereum purchase. This is part of their broader $1 billion acquisition plan, essentially creating the MicroStrategy playbook, but for Ethereum instead of Bitcoin. What does this tell us? Major corporations are now viewing Ethereum not just as a technology platform, but as a treasury asset. This level of institutional adoption could drive significant demand in the coming months. Another major development is Aave's upcoming Umbrella Security Module launch on June 5th. This revolutionary security system replaces traditional Aave staking with a token staking for bad debt protection. It introduces automatic slashing mechanisms across multiple networks including Ethereum, Arbitrum, Avalanche, and Base. Why does this matter? Because it dramatically improves capital efficiency while enhancing security. Exactly the kind of practical innovation that's driving the DeFi sector's 4.18% gains today. So what does all this mean for your portfolio? First, we're seeing clear evidence of sector rotation. Money is flowing from speculative assets into established protocols with clear utility. LRT tokens up 3.6%, low-float assets up 3.97%, DeFi protocols up 4.18%. If this trend continues, we could see Ethereum significantly outperform Bitcoin in the coming weeks as institutional money flows toward the smart contract platform. For investors, this suggests three potential strategies. 1. Consider increasing your Ethereum allocation to capitalize on institutional adoption. Look at quality DeFi protocols benefiting from improved security infrastructure. 3. Monitor the Ethereum-Bitcoin ratio as an indicator of changing market dynamics. If you found this analysis valuable, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss our twice-daily Crypto Pulse updates. And let me know in the comments. Do you think Ethereum will continue to outperform Bitcoin in the coming months? Is this the beginning of a fundamental shift in the crypto market? That's your Crypto Pulse for June 3rd, 2025. I'm Alex from Moonward Capital, helping you stay ahead of the crowd. Remember to check back in 12 hours for our next update as we continue monitoring these developing stories. Until then, trade smart and stay informed.